Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Before I continue, I would like you to subscribe to the YouTube channel and do not forget to click the notification bell to get notified for upcoming videos. We have seen the first example on solution to an exact differential equations. So I want us to do this second example and wrap it up here. Just like the first example, we'll have this to be equal to x dy plus 3x plus y dx equal to 0. Now we'll compare with the general formula, or should I say the general equation. We have it to be this plus b of x comma y dy equal to 0. Now comparing them together, we have our a of x comma y. The ones that have the x is what we are comparing together. Hence, it will be equal to 3x plus y. Whereas our b of x comma y will be equal to x. Now to check if it is exact, we have to do the partial differential of the both of them. So partial differential of die a with respect to y, we have it to be 1, and the partial differential of b with respect to x, we have it to be 1. Having done this, we observe that our die a die y is equal to die b die x, which shows that it is exact. Now to find the function, to find u of x, we know that our die u die x is equal to 3x plus y. Okay, so we'll cross multiply here and we have our die u to be equal to 3x plus y dx. Now take integral of both sides. When we take the integral of both sides to be equal to integral of 3x plus y so we have dx. When we integrate this, we'll be left with u equals, remember we are integrating with respect to x, and when we do that, we have here to be 3x squared over 2 plus xy plus our constant. Let me still use my f of y. Well, I love y. Okay. Also, we also know that our the u do y equals x. So our u already gotten a solution for u. We have to substitute it. When we substitute, we have 3x squared over 2 plus xy plus f of y equal to x. Now by the time we differentiate with respect to y, we'll have the first one 3x squared. Since there is no y, it becomes 0. Then the second expression here, xy, we differentiate with respect to y, we'll be left with x plus, here we'll have f prime of y equal to x. Okay, so collect like terms, our f prime of y will be equal to x minus x, which is equal to 0. Then we take integral of both sides. If we take integral of both sides, we have f of y equal to constant. Let's say our constant is beta. Now we can substitute our f of y to the equation, which is u of x comma y equals 3x squared over 2 plus xy plus beta. This is our final answer. Thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the notification bell to get notified for upcoming videos.